Okay, I had a question on the channel regarding how well Shoe Goo does at high temperatures, whether it melts or not. So here's our nifty temperature gun, and right now we've got about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. There's our little red dot right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the surface with a heat gun and see what happens. You can see it's about 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Visually, nothing is happening. I don't see any change. We're getting up to about 250 now. There you go, 260. So let's see. You can see that it's softened a little bit, as any rubber would, but it's not coming off. There's no deterioration, no melting. So I don't think you're going to have any issues walking around on hot surfaces with the Shoe Goo deteriorating or melting.